Nabasa siya, mother? 5 page daw. Jilana, 5, take away 1, how many left?
4.
Galing Marunong na siya nating naman. Mag-subtract kita. 5, take away 1, how many?
4.
Okay.
Part from ready.
2, how many left?
3.
Biglang...
Agoy, may mumu.
Ano, mama?
Ay, biglang tangkad niya.
Oo nga, tumangkad nga siya.
Kaya usod.
You're taller now. Wow.
Okay, dito.
Ay, sana dyan na naman yung mga mumu mo.
Kaya na nga isuot na kita. Pagpaan lang kita. Samantalang lang kita duwa. Ayaw.
Oh, it's broken.
Important.
It's broken. But that's really hurt, that ball. I don't like that ball, anak. That's really hurt.
Yeah, that's actually in my eye.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's handle.
Yeah, but your eye still doesn't hurt.
Hey.
Yeah, that's actually in my eye.
She hit your eye and then what happened?
And that's tired.
And then... Oh, si Grandma. Is it you like it?
I like hitting the ball.
Okay.
Let me try.
I don't that water.
No, Jana, it's okay.
Mama, yeah, now
Jade's turn. Jilana, you can sit at Grandma's lap. Why not? Ayan, pangasar na naman si Jilana. Jade on the other side. Eh. Look at Grandma and Jilana. See, who's better, Grandma or Jilana? Team, you guys are team?
Who's better? Who's better, me or Jordan?
You guys are team.
What? I take you. Well, I take you.
that's how you're not doing it.
Oh. There's Grandma.
I did him a cool longer. Hey, Mom, look to your left.
What?
And right.
Oh, why you left?
Marilla made that
Y-
cake. Like that sand cake.
You scared Grandma.
What sand cake?
Now Grandma is making your...
Right there. Marilla made that one right there. The one that you're the one with just see if you can make a sand cake. Put it down. That looks so ugly. Mom, Grandma, watch me.
Ni mother ni. Call Grandma.
Mama, see here.
Tawag ka mother ni.
Watch me.
Grandma. Because Grandma doesn't hear it. Listen.
Mama.
What? Bro,
Call Grandma.
Grandma! Watch me! Let me try again. Wait.
Oh, she's not watching. Grandma's not watching. No, she's not watching. See. Call Grandma.
Watch now. Oh. Hey, I'm reading that book. Read that. Wow. I'm reading that book. I'm reading that book, Jade. Fine. It's dark. Jordan likes Marilla.
Oh, you like Marilla and Gracie.
And me, right? Those are your bestie. Bro, I will play with you.
She just played with you earlier. Oh, Grandma. Call Grandma, Jilana. Jilana, call Grandma. Stay here. Stay.
Stay here. Grandma! Stay here.
Go get her. Go get her.